Before I discovered this routine, every day felt like a race against time. Dishes piled up, emails went unanswered, and I found myself snapping at my kids over the smallest things. But then, I implemented a simple weekly system that transformed my chaos into calm. Today, I'm sharing the exact steps that changed my life. If you're a working mom juggling it all, this is for you. You're just one insight away. Stay with me to the end. I used to wake up already exhausted, feeling like I was constantly behind. Between work deadlines, school drop-offs, and household chores, I was in survival mode. I craved structure and peace, but couldn't find a system that worked for my busy life. Nothing seemed to fit, until I created a simple, repeatable weekly routine tailored to real-life demands. 1. Dedicate just 30 intentional minutes every Sunday to plan your upcoming week. It's one of the most powerful habits I've adopted. It's not just about getting organized, it's about setting the tone for the entire week, so you walk into Monday with clarity, not chaos. Start by reviewing any appointments, doctor visits, school events, meetings, anything that needs your mental space. Then move into meal planning. Choose 4 to 5 go-to meals that work with your schedule and rotate them. No guesswork, just peace of mind. Batch cook or prep ingredients where possible. Your future self will thank you on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Next, lay out outfits for yourself and your kids. This small step eliminates so much stress in the mornings. And finally, assign your cleaning tasks to different days. We'll get into that with the zone cleaning strategy. This way, your week feels more like a plan and less like a panic. Pro tip: use a color-coded calendar, paper or digital. Assign a color to each category: blue for work, pink for kids, green for home, and yellow for you. Or use apps like Google Calendar or Cozy for seamless syncing with your family. This is not just about productivity. This is your permission to feel more in control, more grounded, and more joyful as you walk into your week. 2. Zone cleaning. Mon-free mini tasks. Divide your home into 5 zones and assign one to each weekday. This keeps cleaning manageable and helps you avoid those overwhelming all-day weekend scrubbing sessions. Spend just 20 focused minutes each day on one zone. It's quick, consistent, and incredibly effective. For example, Monday equals kitchen, Tuesday equals bathrooms, Wednesday equals living areas, Thursday equals bedrooms, Friday equals entryways or laundry. This method keeps your home in a near constant state of calm, and it's easy to stay on top of things even with a full schedule. Remember, progress, not perfection. A little daily effort adds up to big results over time. 3. Meal simplicity. Meal planning doesn't have to be complicated. I stick to a rotation of 10 easy, family-approved meals every 2 weeks. This takes the stress out of the daily "what's for dinner" question and eliminates the need to constantly search for new recipes. Choosing simple, healthy meals that you already know how to cook saves time, reduces decision fatigue, and makes grocery shopping faster, because you're buying the same core ingredients on repeat. Think taco night, pasta and veggies, slow cooker soups, stir fry, and baked chicken with roasted sides. Bonus tip: spend 20-30 minutes on Sunday batch chopping vegetables and prepping proteins. Store them in clear containers so you can just grab, cook, and serve during the week. Meal simplicity isn't just about food, it's about freeing your mind to focus on what matters most: your family, your peace, and your time. If this routine resonates with you, please like this video, subscribe for more practical tips, and comment below. This is the routine I need. Your engagement helps us reach and support more moms like you. I've created a quick and powerful resource just for you, a 10-minute declutter plan to help you start right away. You can find it in the description below. Download it now and take the first step toward a calmer, more organized home. 4. Self-care and sleep. Carve out 1 hour every Thursday evening just for you. No guilt, no to-do lists. Whether it's a bubble bath, reading a book, journaling, or simply sitting in silence, choose an activity that recharges your energy and soothes your mind. Even more important, prioritize consistent sleep. A well-rested mom isn't just more productive, she's more patient, more joyful, and better able to handle life's curveballs. This hour is your reset button. You deserve it. Why it works. This routine isn't just about staying on top of chores. It's about reclaiming your time, energy, and mental peace. When you have a clear plan, you're not constantly reacting to life. You're leading it. That shift alone can change everything. Structured planning allows you to breathe between tasks, stay focused, and show up more present for your family, your work, and yourself. You start each week with intention instead of stress, and that calm begins to ripple through every part of your day. Remember, every minute spent planning saves you 10 in execution. That adds up to hours of regained time, less decision fatigue, and more room for the things and people that truly matter. This routine doesn't just tidy your home, it declutters your mind, restores your confidence, and helps you feel in control again. Embracing this system has been a game changer for me, and I believe it can be for you too. You deserve a routine that works for you, not one that drains you. This routine didn't just clean my home, it cleared my mind, restored my peace, and gave me back control over my time. As a working mom, I used to feel like I was running on empty, always behind, and constantly overwhelmed. But building this simple weekly rhythm helped me lead my life with intention instead of exhaustion. It reminded me that I don't need more hours in the day, I just need a rhythm that works for my real life. A system that supports me instead of draining me, and if it worked for me, it can work for you too. So take that first small step. Try one piece of the routine this week, just one, and watch how the overwhelm begins to fade. Because you deserve to feel calm, capable, and in control. Remember, you don't need perfection, you just need momentum. You've got this. Want to simplify your days and feel more in control? Download my free 10-minute declutter plan. It's filled with easy-to-follow and practical tips to help you tailor this routine to fit your life. And don't stop here. Your journey isn't over. Watch my last video where I share powerful decluttering strategies that build on this routine. Let's create a home that feels peaceful, not pressured.